I'm going to try to pick her up. Now you might think this is a bad idea, and so do I. She uses 2 powerful claws to crush her prey and a stinger to finish them off. But in the dark, she reveals her unique ability to glow. Come to think of it, she's way too big for this tank, so I got her baby instead. Welcome to your own little world, buddy. And with his home complete, I am ready to move on to the Mesa. The animals living here will be the most dangerous so far. Not too shabby. This will be home to the cow killer. She has the 4th most painful sting in the animal kingdom. The venom is so strong, it is said that it could kill a cow. And I have 5 of them. Using these tweezers, I have to carefully move them very slow, and slow, and slow, and oh no. Okay, deep breath. Let's just move you. Okay, that was easy. With everyone safe and sound, I'm ready to move on to the mountain.